But this liquor store has no liquor.
Right.
Look how cute she is. A dog! A dog! Oh my god. Oh! Okay, alright, but like, help him though. Stop.
Yeah. What the f, dude? What the f?
Took the curb, 1050 roll over, get ambulance and fire staged.
You must be unpaid!
Back, keep your hands up.
Come on, please.
Good.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Seriously? Oh, goddamn, bitch. You're a traffic hazard. Oh, great. Really? Yeah. Really? You got the dash cam.
Hello, Wilson, the Sheriff's Office. Did you honk at me?
Yeah, I just saw you stopped right in front of there when it was an open way for you to go.
That car was coming. He was closer than I was, and there's a yield. Everyone is required to... what irritates me the most is like when there's a car stopped and you get a line of cars and just think they can keep going. That's actually a violation. It's failure to yield. Those are yields at every single intersection. So if there's somebody sitting there and you pull up there and the 3 cars in front of you cut him off, you're required to stop and let him go. Just like I would let him go because he was closer to the intersection than I was. And it's a respectful thing to do because it is a yield.
Then I do apologize. I'm in my view of it is like he's supposed to yield to you, so you would be entering it before him.
He was closer than I was, which is why I slowed down and yielded to him.
Then I apologize.
Yeah, it's all good. I would just be cautious about honking at people because I'm a nice guy. You never know who you're honking at.
Yeah, I get it.
Man.
I got a camera, dude. Record it on the. I got a camera. Record it when you get it.